everyone, I'm Maya from Maya Keeps the Books. Sometimes you check your bank balance and then you look at your bookkeeping and notice my numbers don't match. That confusion is exactly why reconciling your accounts is one of the most important bookkeeping tasks you can do, especially if you're a graphic designer or a freelancer. Reconciling simply means comparing your bookkeeping records to your actual bank or credit card statements and making sure that they match. Every transaction in your bank account should be reflected correctly in your books, not more or less. If something is missing, duplicated, categorized wrong, reconciling is how you find it. If your accounts aren't reconciled, your financial reports might look fine, but they cannot be trusted. And making business decisions based off of inaccurate numbers can really harm your business fast. When you reconcile regularly, usually at the end of each month, you actually get to catch these mistakes before they pile up. So this includes duplicate expenses, missing income, transactions posted to the wrong account, and then bank connection errors. Without reconciling, these errors sit quietly in your books and distort your numbers every month. So just keep in mind, just like everything else, small errors turn into big problems when they're ignored. Your profit and loss report, also known as your P&L, shows how much money your business actually made after all of your expenses. But here's the thing, if your accounts aren't reconciled, that number is not reliable. So for designers, this affects how you could price your clients or your projects, whether or not you can afford new software or equipment, and knowing if you're actually profitable or just busy. So think of this equation, unreconciled books equals guesswork. Reconciling helps you understand how much money you have available. Your bank balance might look healthy, but if your expenses are missing or miscategorized, you could accidentally overspend. So this is especially important for my freelancers with inconsistent income. Knowing your true cash position actually helps you avoid overdraft fees, which cost you money, and stress. When your accounts are reconciled, your expenses are complete, your income is accurate, and your reports are ready. That means no last minute scrambling around looking through your bank statements and no panic emails to your accountant. Monthly reconciliation saves you hours and even days during tax season. Reconciling also helps protect your business. It helps you spot unauthorized charges like fraudulent charges, added subscriptions that you forgot to cancel, and charges on old cards that you're no longer using. So even small monthly charges, they add up, and reconciling just makes sure that every dollar is accounted for. Here's a question that I think a lot of people are going to ask, like how often should you reconcile your accounts? At minimum, you should reconcile your bank and credit card accounts at least once a month, or you could also let a bookkeeper help you. So whether you're new to business, you handle a lot of transactions, monthly reconciliation keeps things manageable and accurate. If reconciling feels confusing or overwhelming, it doesn't mean that you're bad at business at all. It just means that your books need attention. And the great part about all of this is that it's very fixable. Reconciling gives you clarity and confidence in your numbers. Keep it simple, keep it consistent, and see the difference that it makes. If you like help keeping your book stress-free, I work with designers personally, and I also have digital products and resources to make it even easier. Check the description. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.